ang kasipsipan.
Ayan.
So,
Tapos tuloy yung kape ni...
gagayahin na kita.
Oh, sige.
I've always wondered. Si Ken na naman? Si Ken na naman? Ang airtime? Okay, now gagayahin ko na. Excellent job, crew! Cameramen, director, producers, lahat. You... Alam mo, since I'm sure people notice, no?
Okay.
It's a Wednesday today. We don't have any courtside pag Wednesdays. And since nanonood na din siya, hindi pa siya sa... Yeah, thank you, Direk. Okay. Hindi pa siya nagsasawa, no? Mika Abisamis, nanonood.
Nanonood pa din?
Nanonood siya.
Ha?
Oo.
Ganun niya tayo ano ba?
Oo. I don't know. Wala lang magawa yan.
Wala lang magawa.
Wala lang magawa yan.
Isipin mo this game, alam na natin yung panalo. Kasama pa rin natin si Mika. Sana pumunta ka na lang dito. Kahit hindi ka mag-courtside.
Well, in a game like this, it was better for her to stay home, actually.
But yeah, yun, syempre, as James Versosa comes in, first, kudos to our new commissioner, Emma Ureta.
Yes, sir. Coach Zaldi Realobit.
I've heard he has grand plans for the upcoming season.
Opening pa lang.
Opening pa lang, oo.
Naririnig na ako.
May narinig din ako.
Parang kakanta ka yata. Oh. But your TF is still the same, by the way, Ken. Because I'm not sure if Miss Russ, hi Miss Russ, Miss Russ Torres, realizes that you have the talent for it. So, I don't know.
Miss Russ, papayag ako niyan. Basta pasayawin niyo tong partner ko. Ha? 3-point shot by Louis Vigil. At may timeout pa itong Bacolod. A minute and 31 left.
Mrs. Tolentino.
Yeah, basta may lead.
Yeah.
Baka kaya, naka-tune in pa sa atin si
Sino?
Si Mika.
Bakit? Good friends with Madam?
Yeah. Baka lang.
Si Mika naman, parang politika ang galawan niya. Kumbaga, walang posisyon pero everybody's friend.
Si Mika ang dapat pakantayin natin.
Friendly.
Si Mika, promise.
Ay, hindi na kaya ni Miss Russ yung talent fee ni Mika.
Ni Mika. Ba't sa akin walang dagdag?
Wala ka kasing talent.
Ayun
Plain
na
and
nga,
simple.
yung problema
Pero
pinapakanta mo ako.
Pero bibigyan ka ng stage. Di ba? So, ikaw na bahala mag-isip kung bakit. Real Cervantes, you just saw that. That really explains. It says it all. Diba? The look on his face.
107-73. Minute and 20 left. Still a few games left in our preseason. Roughly less than 2 weeks to go. So some matchups down the road. Ang di pa mga naglalaban, like we mentioned, San Juan versus Quezon. You have San Juan versus Pasay as well. They had a memorable series in the first round. One of which went into double overtime ba yun? Overtime lang. Double overtime. Yeah, in game 1. Moralejo gets himself on the board.
I would have loved for Moralejo if he did a Steph Curry like, pagkatira niya, lumingon sa bench. Just to add a little more spice to it. And then hindi pumasok, no? Pero pumasok yun ang importante. Agaw na naman to.
Dami ng agaw ni Joshua, Joshua Fontanilla. Oh! We finally get a slam from JM Versosa.
Thank you very much. At least uuwi tayong masaya. Nakakuha tayo ng isang slam dunk after 3 games. How about the effort by Fontanilla in the last few minutes? The 2 straight steals. Even though this is a done deal.
And perfect way to punctuate this ball game. A wire-to-wire victory as well for the Gensan Warriors. Handily beating down the Bacolod Mascara 112-74. A lot of guys scoring in double figures.
Maraming best player dito, pero isa lang ang pwede natin piliin. Sino pa ba? Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Kitang-kita niya na. Oh. Pagod siya, number 1. Pinaghirapan niya. Pagod na. Ni-reward naman siya.